Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take out a Fiat 500 radio. First, ensure you have the right tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. Then, gently begin prying off the trim panels surrounding the radio unit using your plastic tools to avoid scratches. With the surrounding trim panels out of the way, your next step is to carefully detach the main radio fascia panel. This will expose the radio unit itself. You will then see 4 screws, typically Phillips head, holding the radio firmly in its position. Take your time to unscrew each of these 4 mounting screws completely, setting them aside in a safe place. After removing the 4 screws, you can now gently pull the radio unit forward, easing it out of its dashboard cavity. Be mindful not to pull too hard, as there are still cables connected. Reach behind the unit and carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors. There will also be an antenna cable, which you should gently detach from its port on the back of the radio. With all the electrical connectors and the antenna cable successfully detached, the radio unit is now free and can be fully removed from the dashboard. If you are replacing it, you might need a specific wiring harness adapter for your new aftermarket radio. Remember to store your old radio safely if you intend to keep it or reinstall it at a later date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.